Good. Hey.
वो तो है सर मेरी हो गया
Oh, mama. Let me for more. Say, भी mama. Say. जैसा मोबाइल में नहीं रखते आप
उनका मोबाइल ये है उनका मोबाइल है तो आपकी लाइसेंस मंगा रहा हूँ फोटो भेजने के लिए बोला उसके लिए फाइन दे दो 10,000 का फाइन अभी जब तक फाइन नहीं निकला हम लोग बस नहीं करेगा एसपी बोल रहा है फाइन ले लो अपने को अपना से ये सब रहे हो
Naman nakapos ngingim ju song Thaiñ ban ya duty hapo ka snong ka jungi naman mangipet yan ang taka bhagamyat ka sung ngan ha snong gi bro ka wei bat kung ju di para ki snong pramajan ten roi habang idon bade ringkat hasda gi trai lang bade baka police department bade te ngi ngan han le man ta ka biet bade ngi i lagi jong ki khamat isaki ba ngidon bentar lang hakan dia bangin checking ki kali ke ni subon bah ke jing tuna ye ki kali mo ki ba kiu ki bahian kumbala ban biang mena ka ngelai i lagi jong ki khaman ba ki bun ki brio ki besong ba kali bon rei ki bade ban pendon kam use seat belt andai tak use seat belt ru kim tip ban pendon kam mo te bun ngin hab hi ban kam tam ki don ki kan thai ngin hab ban lej mangi ban pendang use seat belt te ka tu kaya dah mo na ta na jimin salan ni dak la biang kam kali mo andai la ngi ni pendon kam use seat belt ba dia long ka tu ka long ka safety na ka ta ka jungi dengan kan tu kan na ka banta ki pa ba joro na ta ki ba ki banyak kali ki driver sumpah ken long ba ha banyak kali sumpah wat num pendon kam kenya ki jingdi ba penbuan maka wan ra ka jimin saw te mendai tang ya ki driver kam tam ki wei du mo te kam tam mangi ru ha ki bayat bayang untuk la da ki driver ki buat ki num tip syo jimin saw jingyap ka jab ada nang ta ki bom tip ha bayat lenti lan ni kum ta tip termo te ngi kentu ken na ka banta ki pa ba ki ba syong kali ki driver kam tam nang ta ki bakin bot lam ya ka rule ka an ba ka ik ba ka sarkar ka government ka pilihan te kam tam ini ki don menen ngelai obat kami ki don ki Longkmie ki don ki rang baru mo ki syong skuti ndai ki helmet ki kelem pendon kamru te nang ta bande ka da jak ji mat saw bade mano bajen jar mo te nang ta bande ki don ru ki kali bade habangi pej mentangi saki lagi jong ki kman bangi don lang mentang miet ki don ki kali ba ki pendon kam lagi tu ki LED light ki ba nalot ba ka company la ai gitu ki light ande ki dang pendon kam long bu tam sadala dia mo idon segi light bani ki ba silong ki krip gitu ka pen thabai ki wei pada te kum gitu ro kemut ngi sa ekran hi na ka puan ni mentangi saki ba mentang idon lang hang ne ba naga liang police department kila system sisa ten naga liang jungi ke BDP jong ke snong Kuna ni i pen pa ke jing sumu nang ta ya ka police department apa jing penia ji sa SP bangi la ya don bentalang kan ya te
Everyone is aware we have been doing this traffic safety drive for last almost 2 to 3 weeks now, and today the checking is being done with our VDP friends here from Quinin, Nonglado. So we all want the VDPs to be part of our enforcement drives also, because see, we have around 650 villages in this district, 650 to 700 roughly, and every VDP has around 15 to 20 members. So that brings the count to around 10 to 12,000 persons. So we are trying very hard to constitute VDPs in each and every village of our district, so that we have around 10 to 12,000 boys and girls who will actually become our eyes and ears. We have seen in the past that a lot of children have gone missing in various parts of the state, some on their own, some were kidnapped also, few murder cases were also reported. So if we have these VDP friends in every village, we take it as a very strong mechanism to prevent crimes in future. So that is the whole thing. And the state government under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Home Minister Sir, even the Chief Secretary Sir, DGP ma'am, they are very positive about that this idea, and serious consideration is going on to provide certain equipment to our VDP friends as well as some monetary allowance to boost their morale. So it's a work in progress, and we believe that with VDPs in our assistance, we'll be much better placed to prevent crimes, especially the road traffic accidents, and also during investigation of the cases. The whole idea is to assign a group of 5 to 10 households to each VDP member, so that he can keep watch on those households, and if there is any problem, anyone troubling a child, or maybe stalking a child, or harassing him or her in the school or college or in the village. So these small things which generally go unreported, that information also comes to us, so that we can improve the uh, visibility of police force in those villages through our regular patrolling and all. So it's a consistent drive. Primary objective is to stop road traffic accidents, and the data is very encouraging. People have been very supportive of this drive, and in last 2 weeks roughly, we have hardly seen any accident happening on the roads, which was not the case in last few months. So this is giving us results, so we are further emboldened to work harder, and we keep on changing our venue. Today we are at Quinin because this is one of the hot spots where most of the traffic accidents have been reported from. There are similar hotspots in other parts of the highway, like Bangla is one of the spots, Umling is another spot. So we'll be changing our location as well as timing of the checking, so that that element of unpredictability remains. And some people, now we are getting reports that people ask that whether there is a checking going on in Bhoi. So that's a good sign. That's a positive sign. We are not harassing anyone. Its whole thing is aimed at saving lives. So it's a noble cause, and we are fully energized. The whole team is here. One point I would like to say, that we as officers, we get all the attention, the optics, the social media, but actual heroes are behind us. These are the people, the constabulary, the head constables, the Nayaks, Lance Nayak. They often go unreported. Without them, officers can't do anything. So they are the actual heroes behind the success of this drive. They have been standing on road not only during these special drives, right from the morning around 7:30 a.m. They are on the roads, manning the traffic points so that our children can go to school safely. So the credit goes to them as well. They have been absolutely amazing, and it's the constabulary who keeps the police force running. So my message through this media bite is also that uh, the constabulary, who are the real heroes in this whole crime prevention and crime control scheme, they